Hi, I'm Amy from Solutions. You know, I love eggs for breakfast. They're fast, easy, and there's so many ways to fix them. No wonder eggs are such a popular breakfast choice. And I'm going to show you a couple of ways to make them fast, easy, and foolproof. Let's get cracking. Egg sandwiches are my go-to for weekday breakfasts, so I use my Microegg just about every morning. Here's how. Simply crack an egg into the cooker. Add a pinch of salt, lots of pepper, and then pop it in the microwave for about a minute. Look, perfectly shaped for your bread, and no mess if you eat it in the car. You can get a little fancier too. I like to scramble the egg a bit, then add fresh herbs from our herb mill, and I love cheese, which melts right in with the egg as it cooks. And there are endless variations. Add bacon, onion, top with tomato, or try my favorite, cream cheese and fresh spinach. Yum! Delicious, excellent ideas. Check out solutions.com for more breakfast helpers like the Yolk Hero or this cool invention, the Rolly. Thanks so much for watching.